What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to Just Josh, and today we're going to cook a braided pork loin. I've seasoned it up with Meat Church Texas sugar, and I'm trying out the newer ThermPro TempSpike. It's supposed to be like the Meter Pros, but I got it a lot cheaper. And I'm not sure if it's still running the sale on Amazon now, but I got mine for around $67. They're normally $100, and the Meter Plus and all that stuff's around $100 plus. So I seasoned it up last night, put it in the fridge overnight, and now I have it in the Pit Boss vertical smoker, set at 225. I'm going for about 142 degrees on the internal, because that once it rests, it'll carry over to the 145. I'm going to glaze with some barbecue sauce. Just haven't decided which one yet. But I'll bring you in here and let you see what we got so far. It's been cooking a little over an hour and a half, and let's check it out. Like I said, Pit Boss vertical smoker. Haven't used it in a while. There it is. Braided up. And there's the TempSpike. Got water in the water pan. And I did not put a pin. Some people pin the end over there. I did not. So we'll let this come on up to temp, glaze it, and go from there. Also forgot to mention, when I seasoned it and put it in the fridge overnight, I went ahead and put it on the Pit Boss grate. That way I wouldn't have to worry about transferring from here to there. I set it on top of a large steam pan in the fridge, and that's where it's been since yesterday. It's gonna look a little different today because I do not have a tripod at the moment. It kind of broke, so got one ordered. So hopefully it'll be here pretty soon, and I won't have to do it like vlogger style here. So, all right, stay tuned. I wanted to talk about the TempSpike right quick. As you can see, it has a base that you have to keep within a foot of the TempSpike. So it's got a magnetic base on it, so I just stuck it to the side of the grill. And then it's supposed to have, that's supposed to be a booster, and it also charges it and all that stuff. But it's supposed to have 500 feet of Bluetooth range. Now it's on the front of my house, and all in the front of my house is windows. So I've had no trouble with it staying connected through the whole house. Now why I'd want to go any further, Bluetooth, I don't know, but it suits me just fine here. Maybe you have yours out in the garage somewhere that's far from the house, and when you go in a house, it's got too many walls to go through. I don't know. But if you want to go any further than 500 feet of Bluetooth, then the meter sticks do have Wi-Fi, and then you can go wherever for whatever reason. So, but I was gonna let you know a little bit about the TempSpike there. The Meter Plus, or the Meter Probe itself, the Bluetooth only does 100 feet. So I think that's ThermPro's selling point is 500 feet without having to do Wi-Fi, and they can sell it cheaper. So here's a look at the app right quick. Basically, you have your internal temperature up top, and it has different presets you can do, and you can also do custom presets. Down below is your ambient temperature. I'm not sure, maybe I have my TempSpike angled too much and it's too close to the meat, but it's not reading close to what I have the grill set on. I have the Pit Boss up to 250 now, and it's been reading 206, and before it was reading like 180. So it may be getting some fault reading because it's too close to the meat. The next time I will try to go more vertical and see if that will help out maybe. So here's a look at the graph. It shows you where it starts at, and you can save us at the end, and you can share it for further future cooks to figure stuff out. But just wanted to show you the graph part of it right quick here. So here's a look at all the presets, and like I said, you can add your own custom ones. There also is a timer you can add, and you can put your notes down there like they have flip burgers and stuff. So I thought that was pretty neat. All right, we have hit 135. I'm going to glaze it now with the Bachan's Japanese barbecue sauce. This stuff is amazing. You got to try it out. They have it at my local Ace Hardware, and I'm glad I got it. So let's go ahead and get it glazed now. I found a gimbal that I'm going to hopefully be able to prop up, and you'll be able to see me glaze it, maybe. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Gonna just drizzle it on. You just fell. Okay, you were watching and then the gimbal decided to give up holding my phone up. So, here we go, got it glazed. Now we're gonna let it go until it reaches 142, then we'll pull it off and let it rest. All right, we are 1 degree away from our target temp. Hopefully the audible should sound any moment now. It keeps re-estimating how long it's going to take. It got down to like 1 minute and 30 seconds. Then it estimated again, it went up to 5 minutes. So I have bumped the temperature up to 300 after I glaze to kind of finish it off and get a good sticky glaze on there. And now we're just waiting. Any moment now. We're gonna pull it out, let it rest for 15 minutes. It will carry over to 145. I'll be ready to try it then. All right, we have been resting for 10 minutes. Look at that beaut right there. Now I'm gonna try to put you back on the gimbal long enough for me to slice off a few pieces, because otherwise I'm gonna have to hold the camera and slice, and that's not gonna happen. So let's slice it up, see what we got. All right, it wouldn't stand up long enough for me to slice, but here we have some slices going on. Looks good, juicy. We gotta try it now. All right, here we go. There is juice running everywhere on the table. Wow, that is juicy. Really juicy. If you haven't tried the Texas Sugar by Meat Church, it is excellent. But that Japanese Bachan's barbecue sauce, wow. All I can say is wow. That is good stuff right there. And the braid looks cool, I guess. More of a fad thing. I ain't got no Tic Tac. I saw it on YouTube Shorts, so apparently it's real popular on TikTok. But man, that is juicy. Pork, whole pork loin, it's cheap. It's a lot of meat. And it's easy. 142, I let it rest for 15 minutes and it came up to 145. Perfect, just like it should. TempSpike, I'm pleased with it. I'm going to try to maybe have it a little more vertical next time I use it. That way maybe I get a better ambient temp reading. But otherwise, it says you can throw it in the dishwasher and wash it and put it back in the charging in the booster, and it'll charge it, be ready for next time. And the booster, the base is supposed to last, battery's supposed to last 3 months. I don't know. But juicy. Hey, thanks for tuning in. If you can season your meat and you have somewhere to put it, like I have a fridge in the garage, so it's not in the way and I don't get in trouble, season it the night before. I think that helps a lot. And you can definitely get more of a flavor from it that way. But you don't have to braid the pork loin. It's just kind of something you can try if you want to, but a whole pork loin, easy, cheap, feeds a lot of people. Very juicy, tender, a lot of flavor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.